Post viral memes and quotes that AI digs up for us? Yes, it's really that easy. The wildest part? We don't have to create any of our own content from scratch. We don't have to guess about what will go viral. We don't have to spend a lot of time on Facebook every day. Yet our simple method still spits out money like clockwork, every single day. And it isn't saturated either. Because most people still have zero clue that this is even possible. Why? They think that Facebook is just a place where boomers come to yell at each other about politics. But here's the truth. Today, we're handing you our playbook. And this ain't some fluffy theory we yanked off the top shelf of our either. It's a battle-tested blueprint that's pulling in thousands per week like clockwork. Here's what you're about to get your hands on. Something real, we'll show you the proof. Something simple, if you can copy and click you can do this. Something scalable, you can start small and grow fast. But then we made a classic entrepreneur mistake. We got itchy. We wanted more. More leverage. More freedom and more FKY money. So, we drifted away from Facebook and tested other business models. We opened 2 ETSE stores. One of them did $186,000 in revenue in just 18 months. Sounds sexy, right? It wasn't. We got itchy. Something that leveraged AI to do the heavy lifting. Worked without needing to show your face. Could be duplicated by anyone with a phone and a pulse. And most importantly, something that could pay us forever. And that's why we engineered the easiest way on the planet to go viral. With the help of AI we built a system that finds memes and quotes that are already viral. Lets us tweak them, so they're 100% ours. And with one click posts them to a faceless Facebook page. It's about freedom. Money's just a tool. The thing that buys back your time and lets you live life on your own terms. We're talking about the freedom to wake up when you want, not when your alarm clock says so. The freedom to take Tuesday off because you decide your own schedule. The freedom to be fully present for your kids and never miss an important event. The freedom to take your partner out to lunch just because you can. The freedom to explore the world instead of watching other people do it. Once you get your hands on my socials pay, there will be no more drowning in BS money-making courses that get you nowhere. This method is stupid simple, and it actually works. No more wasting hours on complex side hustles. This is a set it and scale system that gets easier, and more profitable, over time. No more praying that your latest idea finally pays off. This exact method is already making us over $2,000 per week and counting. No more trying to get results on your own. This shows you how we grow and get results in record time. No more starting at the bottom. This is your easy shortcut straight to the top of the Facebook theme page game. No more trial and error. We already did the hard part. You just copy the steps and leverage our knowledge without any of the headaches. And also, no more wondering what to post. AI finds proven viral memes and quotes for you in seconds. No more managing customer orders. We show you how to promote products that someone else is responsible for fulfilling on your behalf. No more guessing how to get traffic. We'll show you exactly how our page goes viral every day and how yours can too. No more tech overwhelm. Every step is laid out in easy to follow videos that are perfect for total beginners or seasoned Facebook pros. No more feeling embarrassed at family gatherings because now you'll have a Facebook theme page business that you can be proud of. Here's everything you're getting today with your purchase. My Socials Pay course, real world value, $5,000. My Print Empire course, real world value, $247. The Monetization Roadmap, real world value, $97. Top 4 most profitable niches, real world value, $47. your own hard work, dedication, and consistency. For full details see our terms of service. All rights reserved. My Socials Pay, 2025. Warrior Plus is used to help manage the sale of products on this site. While Warrior Plus helps facilitate the sale, all payments are made directly to the product vendor and not Warrior Plus. Thus, all product questions, support inquiries, and / or refund requests must be sent to the vendor. Warrior Plus's role should not be construed as an endorsement, approval, or review of these products or any claim, statement or opinion used in the marketing of these products.